Alright guys, looks like my MaXpeedingrod coilovers are here. Let's go ahead, tear into this box. Here's my box of bushings that I need to install. But cut this open. Take a look. And see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Me likey. Your service card with a thank you note. Oh, thanks guys. That's pretty sweet. And to anyone who has ever run these, I'm actually thoroughly impressed by them. Pretty solid. Right, that. These. We got rear springs. Alright, and there's the rear. There's the spring, which sits in a bucket, of course, for my E36. Red top, for those who don't know, that's how you adjust your dampening. Spanner wrenches. Hopefully I already have set of those, the other rear and the other front. It looks, that's about it in the box, so pretty sweet. So, way down in here, not that you can see it, right here is rethreaded and ready to go for a new bolt in the morning for that. Spring is in, perch is in, all good to go. Now we're just kind of getting these set. So we throwing this front one in, Devin?
Yeah.
On the correct side this time?
Please God, yes.
So just a brief summary real quick while I have a second. So in order to do this, it's fairly simple. You have this 18mm bolt with an 18mm nut on the other side. And then down here on both sides, you have an 18 and an 18. And there's a little alignment pin inside of here, right there. When you're lining this up, when you're putting the new one in, you want to line this up, make sure it's inside of this hole that's on the coilover itself first. And then you can tighten these two down to line it up. And then what really helps me is I put this one in back in first, so that when I'm putting all of this on and trying to get everything to line up right, this is kind of holding the weight of the coilover for me, which makes it easier to line this up and getting these bolts in. Bottom is loose, no bolt. all you got left is up top. Ignore the marring. This was a failed attempt on this car many years ago. But you just break these 13s loose and you're good, pretty much good to go. Okay, so we have the top in. Down here we have obviously the new one. I was trying to line it up, that's why it's kind of scarred up a little bit. This is that alignment pin I was telling you about. So get this in that hole, and then these 2 holes right here will line up beautiful. Explain the rear. Find a way to, if you have a convertible, find a way to prop your top up. I'm using my son's little makeshift golf club that he leaves out in the yard all the time, drives me nuts. But anyway, there's 2 13mm bolts right there, and then 1 big 18mm bolt right there. It's power steering fluid, don't freak out. And yeah, let's get this bad boy. As far as taking the old spring out, it's easy. Pull this whole hub assembly down and yank that out. But coilovers are done. They're in, sitting pretty good. Rides, freaking incredible. I'm really happy with how these turned out. Very impressed. Got them pretty much level. Not perfect. I'll have to dial them in, fine tune them a bit, of course. But overall, very happy with how it turned out. Yeah, MaXpeedingrods, thanks again for sending them. Really enjoying them so far. Only driven the car 3 times since putting them on. So gonna have to fine tune them, dial them in, take them up in the mountains, shake them down really good. No squeaks, no rattles, no nothing. Really enjoying it. Thanks again. What's up, guys? So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we look forward to making more content for everyone to enjoy right here on the Cars for the Cure YouTube channel. Be sure to hit that like button on this video. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think, and let us know what you want to talk about, what you want to see, what you hope to see. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. That way you know the next time we upload something. So until then, peace out.